All right, today we're going to talk about breaking those bad money habits, the ones that are secretly keeping you from building real wealth. And trust me, by the end of this, you're going to have a simple, clear blueprint to completely change your financial future, starting literally right now.
So, does this sound about right? You're working your tail off, the paycheck hits your account, you pay all the bills, and poof, there's basically nothing left. It feels like you're just stuck on a hamster wheel, right? It's super frustrating, but I promise it's a cycle you can absolutely break.
And this is the exact energy we need to have. Seriously, no more putting it off, no more, I'll start next month. The power to completely change your financial life is right here, and the time is right now.
Okay, let's get into it. And let's reframe how we're thinking about money. This isn't about being restrictive or cheap. It's about buying your freedom. This is your financial fresh start. This right here, this is the absolute heart of it all. I don't care if you're making 20 grand a year or 200 grand a year, the rules are the same. Real, lasting wealth isn't built on a huge salary. It's built on a foundation of solid, consistent habits. So, where do we even begin? Well, we start by building a defense. We're gonna build a financial fortress that protects your future from the very first dollar you earn. You know, this one single idea made famous by Robert Kiyosaki is a total game changer. Forget this whole idea of saving whatever's left at the end of the month. That's a recipe for failure. Instead, you need to treat your future self as your single most important bill. Your savings is not optional. It's the very first thing you pay, period. And look how simple this shift is when you see it laid out. On the left, that's what most people do. Saving is an afterthought if it happens at all. But on the right, that's the wealth habit. The moment you get paid, you slice off at least 10% for yourself first. It becomes non-negotiable. This is the simple switch from being passive with your money to actively building your future. Okay, now that we've got our foundation in place, we need to talk about the traps. Think of these like financial quicksand, just waiting to pull you under and sabotage all your hard work. And we're talking specifically about that high-interest consumer debt, usually from credit cards. It's become so normal to just carry a balance every month, but this kind of debt is like trying to climb a mountain while you're digging a hole. It is actively working to make you poorer every single day. Just look at that number, 22%. That is the average interest rate on credit card debt. I mean, think about it. There's no investment in the world that can reliably give you a 22% return, but that's the hole you're trying to climb out of. Every single month, you carry a balance. It's insane. It makes all those rewards points and cashback offers completely useless. Getting rid of this debt isn't just some nice idea. Paying it off is literally one of the best financial investments you can make. This is how you stop making them rich and you start making yourself rich. And you gotta watch out for these two sneaky ones too. Lifestyle inflation. That's when you get a pay raise and suddenly your spending just magically expands to eat it all up. A nicer car, more expensive dinners, you're making more but you're not getting any wealthier. And not tracking your money, that's just flying blind. You have no idea where your money is actually going. All right, enough about defense and all the traps. It's time to play some offense. Let's talk about how we can actively grow our money and unlock its real, powerful potential. But first, a really quick but really important disclaimer. Just remember, this is all for educational purposes. It's not financial advice. Investing always comes with risk, so please do your own homework and think about your own situation. Now, this one usually surprises people, but over your entire lifetime, you are probably going to pay more money in taxes than you will on your house, your car, or anything else. So understanding how to legally and ethically reduce that bill is a massive part of building wealth. And this is exactly how you do it. For those of you in the UK, it's the ISA. For our friends in the US, it's the Roth IRA. Now, these aren't investments themselves. Think of them more like a protective shield or a wrapper that you put around your investments to legally protect them from taxes. Using these is an absolute game changer. You know, this might just be the biggest trap of them all. The excuses are just endless, right? Oh, I don't have enough money, it's too complicated, the market feels a little shaky right now. But the single biggest risk you can take is not being in the market at all, because you miss out on the most powerful force in all of finance: compounding. I mean, just look at this chart. It tells the whole story. Investor A starts at 25. Investor B waits just 10 years and starts at 35. The difference in where they end up is absolutely massive. And that's not just about the money they put in. It's about their money making babies, and then those babies making more babies.
Time is your greatest superpower here. Okay, we have covered a ton of ground. The mindset, the traps to dodge, the tools you need to use. So now let's boil it all down into a super simple, powerful action plan that you can start using today. This is it. This is the whole plan. Step 1, automate it. Don't rely on willpower. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account for the day you get paid. Step 2, declare war on bad debt. Get aggressive. Throw every spare dollar you have at it until it is gone. And step 3, open that tax-advantaged account, that ISA or Roth IRA, and just start. Even a small, consistent amount is infinitely better than nothing. So there you have it. The knowledge is officially yours. You've got the map, you know where the traps are, and you have a clear 3-step plan. The only thing left to do is take that first step. So my question to you is, what is the one thing you are going to do today, right now, to start building your financial fortress?